Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2017 Subaru Outback, stock reference number 4457. This shape runs from the 8th month 2014 through to the 12th month 2017. It has an FB25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic all drive transmission. FB25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front end. We have the left-hand guard, which appears to have no damage. This vehicle is fitted with 18-inch factory alloy mags. Left front has a good tyre. Left power door mirror. Left front door has one small dent. Left rear door appears to have no damage. Left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left-hand tail light. Left tailgate garnish. It's got a tidy rear bumper cover with a tow bar cut out. Factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets, loom and module. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Camera type. Right-hand tailgate garnish. Right-hand tail light. Right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has one small dent, as does the right front door, and a right power door mirror. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior. It's got a black leather center console lid, automatic type console with electric handbrake, automatic gear shifter, climate control, heated controls, factory sat nav unit, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, and sunroof type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.